Have you eaten?
I haven't said anything since morning. I don't mind if you credit me or send me money to buy food.
Okay, so send your account number.
Thank you,
I'll
baby.
credit you right now.
I've been transferred from the one every touching story.
If I transfer, I die.
It's OBIKING, guys. Welcome back to another episode of my comedy reaction. I believe you guys are doing okay. So please make sure you watch this video to the very end, as got the best of comedy reactions right here. You understand? So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure to do that. Drop nice comments, guys, and share this video. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
My husband, you know I've been traveling for 1 week. That is the reason why I brought this new cook and this new cleaner.
Okay.
Party after party.
Cook and cleaner.
Jack.
Yes. I concur to that, you understand? Because I was going to say it.
Okay, they are here to work. So I'll be back 1 week.
Madam, should I help you with your bag?
Jack, don't worry. Let me go.
Well, no problem.
Mama, I didn't tell the go villa.
Jack, see those two nanny? I like them. I want to packaging them. Please don't tell my wife.
Okay, sir. Chief, take one and give me one now.
Are you playing? Jack, clear your mouth.
This is playing.
Let today be the first and the last that you open your mouth and say this thing that you say.
Jack,
Welcome.
Chief is calling you.
Okay.
Let's have it.
Hey, Jack.
Sir?
Go and buy me a monkey. Manpower.
I'm kidding.
Jesus.
Jack,
Ma?
what are you doing here?
Ma, I want to go and buy something.
What do you want to go and buy?
Hey, madam, please don't tell Chief.
I will not tell you.
I want to go and buy manpower.
Manpower. What do Chief want to use manpower on?
You know those two nannies you brought? And he wants to use it on them.
Hey.
Madam, please don't tell Chief.
No, it's fine. Go and buy.
I know you wanna love.
Okay.
I see Jack, he go buy manpower. So let me calm down, in they come.
Dead body go.
That guy that no go meet the other one for that side.
Well, Lasisi ma go meet them.
Guy, calm down.
Oh, Igbo.
So you want to speak Igbo to now? Calm down.
Na language, brother. Na language thing, so.
Oh yeah, no wahala.
I don't think this this man they here, council they here, they look. Calm down. I'm asking you to by why they talk like woman. Yeah, they even say you na correct guy. Baba Marcian. See, you want come market for my mouth. I swear to God. Check am on code.
iPhone.
You don't confirm am, abi. How you dey be? Make it be 700 the way I tell you.
You know, man, I'm 600.
You be like you know this. Come
Baba,
on your hand, yeah. Which kind?
Now business now. Why they do like say no see they go for street?
Look at my face. 2268 911.
Which bank?
Run am for Testus Bank. I know why I dey do this. Now because you na struggling bobo. You dey get.
About give me.
Come on, hide the phone. I don't think you can see this guy.
I saw they tell they do streets.
Bro, I dey picture myself already.
Baba, sit down, man, snap you. Baba, stop me. Baba, give me shot. Baba, take me shot. Oh shit! Baba, stop me. Baba, give me shot.
Wait till be this. Snap me now. Fuck you, man. You know what?
You saw that? You don't know.
Barnabas. Barnabas. You bring that phone now. You crew. Barnabas.
You don't know. Children of nowadays.
See this girl, where you dey go? Mommy, leave me. I want go do something. Sister, I tell your sister to make she dey inside out. She said she won't go do something. Who does that? Lily, you know the sharp man to me. You got the drink sharp man. Tell her. Who's tell her?
Jesus.
She did not fit with her. No be your pikin. You tell her. No be your pikin. No be fun. I just tell her.
70 years old, man.
This you dead. No, they came out for me. I gotta go.
Life is nothing without you. There is something about you. Could this be love?
But wait, I want to explain, give them.
No, anyhow, I just have to tell them. Don't worry, they are coming.
All I get is
Why can't you do it yourself?
What is the job of a wife if not to iron her husband's trousers so he can go to work?
You upset cause I did not iron your trousers?
You don't expect an officer of the Nigerian army to wear this to the cantonment?
Mommy, Daddy!
What? Iron the trousers. Simple instruction. Woman, don't get me mad. Don't get me mad, yo.
Are you threatening me? I'll blast your head
I
out.
will blast your head too,
Jesus.
It's only because I love you. That's why I don't put you down.
This is my boyfriend!
Madam, rise up and walk.
Yeah. Did you just say that is your boyfriend?
At what age?
23.
You don't get belay. You don't get belay.
Hello, Daddy.
God help me now that day.
Who go train the pikin? Who go train the pikin? But I kill it, Papa. At least you know the 9 na income.
You can end up a patient. A mind that you step, blood on the pavement.
Jesus.
Can you imagine?
What have I done, my
Is that what I think I heard?
You don't mess.
Best part in this relationship.
Jesus.
Baby, it's a lie.
It is.
It's a lie!
Don't be angry. Please don't hate me.
My baby just messed for the very first time!
Now, not the relationship starts. She don't show you a true self.
What's going on here? This one will take mess give you also.
Jesus.
Yeah.
What is your good name?
My name is Motherfucker.
No need to argue, my guy.
What's the apple boy?
Good afternoon, man.
Oh, my pikin, how you dey?
Time, man.
No be small boy of that day be this.
Moscow. Now you know.
Now you don't grow like this.
Now so you don't big go. Now food make and big.
Food?
You see this boy, he can't chop.
You sure say this boy never started to smoke? Because you remember that my pikin?
Which one?
Where they smoke?
That yellow one.
Yes, so. Anytime when you go outside, go smoke. Now so you go enter inside. If you chop one bag of rice in a day.
You don't
meet your pikin. Press him belly well. Go ask her.
I'm not sure say Moscow they smoke. But I think they if you chop 10 times a day.
Nobody go feel using clear high. Chop 10 times in a day if you know they smoke. Because children nowadays, you know if you trust them.
Hello, Chinedu. Now you tell your mama say I dey Indo. She there they can't me for my mother since. Wait till they saw. See if your mother knows that this has not tired to they come. Make she talk.
What did they worry you? So you don't reach the stage where you gonna report my friend to our children. What is this kind of character? Anyway, I don't get your time. Your food day table. When you ready, you go chop. Eat.
Jesus.
This pikin don't finish this food. No.
My pikin.
Won't be your picking. Your picking fine like this.
Let's go. So you don't finish that food? No. Within seconds.
That's more food when no even reach person chop.
I know first time you say they smoke.
It is smoke.
You cannot believe me.
Not be small smoke, it is smoke. Not serious smoke.
But I think smokers don't eat. I think they don't eat much now.
Senor.
Oh, yeah, nah. My money.
How much is your money?
1.5.
Oh, gonna buy 1.5 million.
You didn't ask me again. You don't know what you chop. I beg, give me my money.
Don't worry.
Get off now.
Guy, don't be.
What happened?
Give my carry just now. We don't package finish. You don't package finish. They be 1.5 million. Eh? Guy, I want to see that kind of money. I know. I don't want to carry am. She just shaking her.
Calm down. Wait, you drive a car, go there?
I just come now.
Okay, see, now, listen to me very carefully.
Alpha, please, I'm having network issues. No worry, I beg. No worry. Just wait for me in the car. Let me just ease myself.
Okay, there's no problem.
You see, this kind of arithmetic, you know, they have to solve. Some no, some no. You don't get asked. Let those who know teach those who don't know.
Calm down, great officer. Calm down.
So one time he said she carried this thing for her. She said the plate number.
Mercy upon us.
Now, wow.
Let's move!
Big Zephyr.
Who be this? I'll move. What are you doing in my car?
Voila.
It's okay.
Wait. Is this your car?
Which car is that question? This one. I beg, come off my car, make a drive, I beg. Now why we there?
Now use the girl break.
Now why?
He got turn.
He got turn.
You will move out, no worry. What's going on here?
Please? I'm scared.
Turn. Now, open your eyes. Your house.
The only thing in my eyes is tears of frustration from what I'm feeling inside, yeah.
That's not all.
Who was it again?
Babe. Okay. You know my friend, right?
Yeah, no.
Okay. So since I'm not always around,
Okay.
I know how it is for you. So I brought my friend for you to.
Hi!
Who does that?
Let's have it.
Turn around for me.
Where do we see this kind of girlfriend?
She's hot.
You still gonna sleep for working place, Abi?
Small. What make you still find me come and working place now?
Oh my
God!
Get surprise for you.
Get surprised for me. You surprised now again.
I get belly.
Wisdom.
Oga.
How fine now?
Fine.
Why look man now?
No mind now, enjoying go look people where they fight for that side.
How typical.
Madam, as I was saying, what happened between you and that your bobo now?
I beg. No one will get job now. I don't live on Tete. Not today.
I tell people every time, any ex that did not meet our expectation is an experiment.
An experiment, yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam. You see, when you are broke and heartbroken, take it as an avenue for breakthrough, not a breakdown. My name is Mr. Richard, CEO GNCC Masterclass. What we do in our class is that we uplift people from a state of financial breakdown to a state of financial breakthrough.
Wow.
I tell people that it's important as a woman that you have your own economic power. Be independent and not independent of another man. I normally emphasize the economic power of a woman because any matrimony without money is a maltreatment.
Wow.
Are
you a man of God?
Don't you know this man?
Madam, let me ask you a question. What is it that you do for a living?
I'm a makeup artist.
Makeup artist, I will need you to make up your mind this very instant.
Wisdom.
Yes, ma'am.
No, not you.
Madam, are you ready to join GNCC Masterclass? What we do is 15,000 naira regular, and for women seeking economic power, we are doing 5,000 naira, and in 4 days, I will make you a millionaire.
Yes, I'm ready. Please give me your account number, quick.
All right, 00 66. No, you know what? Do Bitcoin.
You know how many people track them? Mind your business.
Jesus.
Mumu go for let's slap. Now I can't they go now. They don't slap you. Mumu.
Play well now. Play game. Okay. Enter kitchen, make go prepare something for us. More shop now. Make me enter kitchen, go cook. Make me enter kitchen, go prepare something, we go chop. You not the hungry. So make I enter kitchen, go cook now. Call your babe now. What is guy? They like all this guy to call your babe, make she come cook. Me and you know say my babe not there around now. Eh? Okay, no waiting. More order for chef, make they come cook for us. Guy, why you like her process? More order food, more chop now. This thing, it dey tear me bad. Okay, which kind of talk you dey talk? Those food stuff we buy for kitchen, the rice, beans, plantain, everything will come live around. I bet more order for chef, Jerry. You never see anything? Oh, yeah, order.
Who be on chef?
I don't see one. Yeah, order. Order. Correct.
Hunger never catch you, and I ain't making a still the order. Now the other chef, go and enter kitchen, go cook.
Guy, the chef not dey come again.
You don't show.
Miracle,
no dey tire Jesus, oh.
blessing, no dey tire Jesus.
So they think they knock here for this. Who be that one?
Okay, see me here now.
Jesus.
Kiriku.
Oh boy, your mama.
How be your dad for chef? Now me now.
Now you be the chef.
Yes.
Let's come inside now.
Yeah, is the pain you. No.
Okay, come inside.
Chef.
What's going on here?
What be this?
Wait. Now you be Queen Kitchen nationwide.
Yes, mommy. Now using the body. Now why attack kitchen? Now you hear the result.
No be cho.
You think it's a joke?
That Tinubu spoil Nigeria.
You think
now.
See kitchen here, go cook for us.
First payment. Half.
So if I don't make advance payment now, you're not going to enter kitchen.
No.
Yeah, no wahala. Give me your account number.
My account number there.
Okay. Your account number be this.
Yes.
Queen.
Yes.
Impersonation, this one they do.
Queen.
Yes.
Are you whining yourself?
You get through the anchor.
I don't get issue, Queen. I don't send them.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me they give
Bob, you know to kitchen be that like
this
side.
Take nonsense, yo. Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me can give him stress, oh. Kiriku no they take nonsense.
One guy never catch you, and I make no.
Small for body.
Kiriku.
Kiriku. You know
don't look at the thing they clap.
Not na big trouble. Kiriku.
That's my almighty chef. Okay, finish. See, you don't understand. Once you see food like this, you just vibrate.
So 2 spoons.
Let's have it.
What's happened? We will test them.
Queen kitchen.
He get a CBO.
What happened?
You be chef?
Yes.
God have mercy upon us.
You be chef. Nice sauce. Put this food like this.
As Maggie not in the kitchen, I got enough salt. It tastes for balance.
If Maggie not the kitchen, why not tell us Maggie not the more go find Maggie? So you as chef now, you know the taste what you they cook.
And then that's class food.
Now rubbish you cook. Hey! Rubbish.
I like the food sweet now, tongue no good.
Get out of my house.
The balance.
Which balance?
You pay me half now, pay me the full one.
Papi, for rubbish where you cook.
I cook for you, I better cook for you.
So guy, he cook for you, I be no cook for you.
He cooks now. You go pay and balance. One guy know the catch and I make. Now the other chef.
Man can't do
You
this.
did there.
I don't send them. And if they come over this house, so man don't see you close to this estate or close to this estate, I go wound you.
Organize here from you.
Hey! Man don't for you.
I bet shift.
Okay,
Don't waste
shift.
my time, I get other client to attend to.
Calm down, my friend.
What have I done with myself?
Una mind. No go.
One guy don't even catch you.
Let me hold this phone. Police dey front. How much you go give me? I go add 1,000.
That is 3,000. Excuse me, my name is Barnabas.
They will catch you.
See, do you knew fully well say you almost jammed me?
Having checked it.
You, oh yeah, calm down.
Kopakayo, brought in that driver fast.
You, calm down fast.
Officer.
How are you?
Very fine, sir.
That boy, any of it deal with you?
No.
Wait till I try to stop say, if any of it deal with you, me and you will share at 50-50.
Kill him, 100,000. 2 of them go share 50-50.
See you phone no. This boy say, now so they do.
He's a Yahoo boy. Kopakayo, having brought it.
Calm down.
Having locked it.
Now your phone be this now.
You the mental, which kind of rubbish talk? Which one say I know you.
What do you mean by the mental? Who be this?
The picture go viral, not be me.
The picture go viral. Kopakayo,
sir,
take me inside.
Let's still catch him.
Let it go viral for station. They're mad.
I don't collect it now. Make I just collect my own share.
Enter motor.
To be mumu.
Like, so that we will feel do the transfer.
When you reach station, you follow a right statement.
Officer, I don't follow.
You are an accomplice. But move this photo.
You live in Keke, go in a van 50K. You really move.
I'm sorry.
You get low.
I don't want trouble. I beg you. Please give it to your boss.
Tired on for.
Bros, any vulcanizer for you? Bro, this is Banana Island. There's no roadside vulcanizer here. Call this emergency number and get your tire fixed. Hello, I beg, I need vulcanizer. I beg, ASAP. I beg, come. All right.
This small road where Holy Spirit they show me now where I will take make money. Now you won't begin put obstacle. Idiot.
Let me Ferrari finish.
Who the checker? So as I can see, you are suffering from low air pressure.
I need the vulcanizer?
Yes.
Now you get this Lambo.
Come on.
One of my toys. So according to my calculation, you need 4 tires to be pumped. That's 400k per tires. Total 1.6 million.
Jesus!
Hey, Chief Priest.
Alpha, my guy.
Hey.
Let me pump my Rolls Royce tire.
You know, say you now premium now. Premium air you go need and that's just a total of 7.4 million.
Are you a servant of the devil?
You know, say money now, water, my guy, eh?
Money now, water.
Oh yeah, go and pump his tire. Okay, sir.
Nothing. Boss, fetch me 1 bucket of water, make I use some power.
Okay, boss.
La money deliver. Chief Prince, Baba.
This will not be time to video. Get out! Jesus!
See wahala.
Fuck out of here.
You want 10 million stay pump tire, show to the apple.
Oh, sir! You're mad. I never want to come your house again. I say my name is Pluto. Pluto Presido. Pluto Presido. Sharp. When they come your house again, I don't want to hear that you will not kill your cow. When they come your house, they worry. That's the world leader.
Osas.
Leader, no, they call me Osas now. My name is Pluto Presido. Now, what are you quarrel with that guy for us now?
But now Osas, now we take know you for the family. Who should be Pluto Presido? Okay, no wahala. For the 10 million naira when we call you so, now I might give the check of 10 million naira.
Leader! The governor of our state! Leader, which position you want for this state, I'll give you. I'll make you chairman.
Check of 10 million naira.
Leader. Now, Pluto President for the name, man. Supposed to be Osas or Sakman.
Okay. Now, you say your name no be Osas. Say na Pluto Presido. That made me right now.
Leader, no, now Osas or Sakman, no be Pluto President.
See, Pluto.
No, leader, Osas or Sakman.
You know say Pluto will know the show for map. But no worry, this one you go show for bank.
So my brother, how you did they survive for this country? My brothers, make I tell you now how they survive for this country. Madam, Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Madam, I give me 1 chilled Coke and 1 buns.
Jesus.
Madam, my chest. My chest.
Bro, something happen. Now you just shut your chest now.
Madam, if blessing this morning I took coke for my body.
Sorry, oh. You know what go happen? I bet they come up from my store, not pay again, just they go.
You mean
Carry your wahala come up from my store.
Madam, you just saved my life now. Thank you.
Now why will we they call am go?
My brothers, now so I think they survive for this country.
It's okay.
That Anita store, now there I think they use to survive for this country.
Yeah, you don't get anything to worry about. You see the two of us, here our return.
Oh, Chineke, I won't
Now what go do now?
Una don't go. You never wait my give me the full update.
Yes!
Alpha bro, maybe Anita husband they shop. Now the husband do it be like say Anita know they shop. But no fear, mo go try our luck. Mo go. Bros, well done, no.
Oh, Chairman, well done, no.
Bros, give us cool bottle mineral.
Which one?
Pepsi.
Oh, okay.
2.
Okay.
This one don't be hot for body.
When I go here, way.
Alpha blood, It dey work, Maintain.
Maintain your stays.
Yeah.
You be mumu.
Bros, why this your mineral dey choke us? Exactly. What do they do? Say, as your mineral don't choke us, we no go pay, we go dey go.
Hey, come on. I don't quite finish.
Bros, you know the able to talk. We say your mineral dey choke us. As your mineral dey choke us, so we no go pay.
See. I beg. I just dey start market. I'm not people wahala. I beg, when I carry my money, give me a beg.
Alpha blood. Maybe this update now that guy tell us. Not him now. I bet the guy no give us the full gist.
Make I go meet company. Make I tell them say mineral dey choke my customer. Say I no go pay. I be how?
Bros, you know say this your mineral dey choke us. We no go pay. We say we no go pay.
You dey choke you, you still dey drink it.
I just dey open shop. No. When I carry my money, give me.
Bros, you know the way too dey talk. We say your mineral dey choke us. Leave us more dey go. Bros, bros.
This one so get sense. No be only choke. Funny fresh. No be Jarvis with this.
Hello?
Na Jarvis. AI. Voila. Growing up, this is what we used to experience then. Hey.
Hello, you can't keep me waiting outside like this now. What?
Bye, pure water.
What are you talking about, Miss? Hold on, please. Can I call you back? Give me a minute, please. Hello, my sister. Hello, my sister.
Bye, pure water.
Layi wasabi.
Excuse me. Oh, sorry, the resemblance is striking. You look like someone I dated in my past life.
Oh, that's your ex?
Yes, my ex.
That means you really love him. This is why you pushing me like this.
Hey, something like that. Sorry to disturb you.
Oh,
okay.
Well done, yeah.
In my past life.
So how's your day going?
My day is just there.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough. So, have you eaten?
I haven't said anything since morning. I don't mind if you credit me or send me money to buy food.
Okay, so send your account number.
Thank you,
I'll
baby.
credit you right now.
I've been transferred from the one every 30 story.
If I transfer my dad.
This girl, anytime you chat her up, I'm hungry.
You go kill this man. Kill him today. Then boy, you will cross this line. Cross this line, then boy. You cross the line. Then boy, you will touch me, then boy. This man.
Oh!
Dogo, leave me. Leave me, Dogo. If you don't leave me, I'll use the anger I want to use and finish this man and finish him. Dogo, he might then take my pillow. You, Dogo, he might then take my pillow.
Think they're wise.
He didn't take my pillow.
You say me, this nigga, I don't leave this
man. I did not do anything. I saw two girls. I overheard them talk conversation. Now hear well. And I said, let me go and ask. Then the man could slap me. Just like that. Just like that. Did I do wrong? No, I didn't tell my clothes. No, I like
Go fight now. I think you go fight.
Why are you crying now? I thought you said... You know before the beating and crying. He didn't question that you asked me. They kill me. I will finish this man. I'm going to fight him. No.
Mumu no strong. Idiot. Oh God, these guys are very, very, very crazy. God. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. I really appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate. So what's your favorite part of the video? For me, there are so many nice parts in this video. Like seriously, I can't even name a particular one. They are all very, very nice. But I think the one that really stood out is this girl where they like, have you eaten? He said no, but she get big bowl of garri where she dey chop at that point in time. You understand? So what's your own favorite part of the video? Drop it in the comment section and I will try as much as possible to give you a response. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe. The subscription button is for you. Make use of it. Share my video, guys. Share my videos. And see you in the next one. Peace and love.